All right, so we're taking a look at a stucco house. The whole front of this house is stucco. We run into these quite often. Proper maintenance of stucco is really important. A lot of times you'll buy a home, or people will buy a home, and when they buy the home, nobody ever tells them. They say, oh, the stucco's forever. Well, that's not really true. You have to maintain it. You have to wash it, and specifically EIFS, of which this house has both. So it has stucco surfaces here that are hard stucco on either dense glass or plywood. And then here, these are EIFS surfaces. And then you can see that there was foam with a mesh, scratch coat, and then the EIFS finish on top. If you let these go and you don't coat them, after about a decade, they start to wear away. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Come in and take a look at this. So right in here, you can see some of these areas. It's just from rain. The UV rays break it down, the rain washes it away. That cycle happens over and over and over. And after 10 or 15 years, you start to expose all of that fiberglass mesh underneath. And then what happens is water gets in behind there, the freeze-thaw cycle, it starts popping pieces off. And if you back up, you'll be able to see on the second floor, you'll see some areas up there where it's actually popping off. You come and pressure wash and it all flies off. That can all be prevented by putting a coat of elastomeric on all of these surfaces at about 10 years. So if you've owned stucco home for about 10 years, you should probably come out and get a coat of paint on it, or a coat of elastomeric is even better. Loxone XP, of course, is my favorite of all these elastomerics, but that will protect it and prevent the weathering away of your EIFS. Stucco's a little bit more forgiving and will hold up a little bit better than EIFS over time, but both of them will break down. And you can see here some stucco breaking down. I'll show you. You've got some settlement cracks and it breaks. You can patch this either with a rigid stucco, or you can put a good flexible caulk, but not silicone.